Hey, so if you want to manage projects, tasks, and team collaboration in one place, yeah, Confluence can be a powerful project management tool. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to use Confluence for project management in 2026. First thing, create a dedicated space for your project. Next, plan your structure with sections like overview and tasks. All right, use templates for project planning. Now add tasks using checklists. Next, assign responsibilities to team members. All right, track progress and update task status. Now use comments to communicate updates. Next, connect tools like Jira for better tracking. And yeah, store all project documents in one place. So that's how you use Confluence for project management. Once set up properly, it becomes a central hub for planning and collaboration.